What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to change the app size of your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Here you have three different app size options. By default, you get the medium size, which looks like this. Then you have the option to make it smaller or bigger. So let me show you how to do that. Just tap and hold the empty area of your home screen to put it on edit mode, and in here select the option settings. It will take you to the home screen settings, and the first option you will find here is the app size. By default it is set to medium. You can just tap on the dot on the left to make it smaller. Now if you go back to the home screen, you'll find the app size has now changed to small. Now go back to the settings again and tap on the dot on the right to make the icon larger. So if you go back to the home screen again, you'll find the icon size have now changed to large. You can set the app size as per your preference. Once you change it, the app size will be changed on both the home screen and the lock screen. You can also access the home screen settings from the settings app. Go to settings. In here, scroll all the way until you find the option home screen. So once you tap on that, it will take you to the home screen settings and you'll find the option to change the app size. You can also change the app size from here. So that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next video.